Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, dear students. This is another review lesson related to add maths, and topic is simultaneous equations. It's a past paper question from our school booklet, question number 2. A square ABCD of area 60 meters square. The point P lies on BC and the sum of the lengths AP and BP is 12. Given that the length of AP and BP are x meters and y meters respectively, form two equations in x and y and solve them simultaneously. So they're talking about a square and the name of the square is ABCD. Let's have that square on our page. A, B, this is C, and this is D. All right, so A, B, C, and D. It says that on the point P lies on the line BC. So here it is, point P. Let's join this. So furthermore, this says that the length AP and BP equals to 12. So AP plus BP equals to 12. And AP is X, BP is Y. This is also given to us. So let's put these values. X plus Y equals to 12. This is our equation number 1. Alright, they're also giving us the area of the square 60 meters square. Now let's write it out. Area of square equals to 60 meters square. Now we know that the area of a square is side multiplied by side, but we do not know what is the side, what is each length of each side of this square. So let's suppose, let the length of each side of this square be A. Alright, so we know that the area is calculated by the formula length multiplied by length. So this will be A multiplied by A equals to 60. That is A square equals to 60 meters square. Now, can we calculate the value of A in terms of X and Y from this triangle? As we can see that, okay, this is a right angle triangle. And in a right angle triangle, we have the hypotenuse, we have the perpendicular side, we have the base side. So by applying Pythagoras theorem here, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. So let's put in these values here. The hypotenuse is x square, perpendicular is y square, and the base is a square. We have just calculated the value of a square as a square is 60. Let's substitute it here. X square equals to y square plus 60. So x square minus y square, I can name it as equation number 2. So we are asked to solve these two equations simultaneously. From equation number 1, we can have our subject, that is x equals to 12 minus y, and we can name it as equation number 3. Let's put this value here. 12 minus y whole square minus y square equals to 60. So we need to use identity here to open this bracket. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus y square equals to 60. The value of a is 12. So let's write this value. The value of b is y. Let's open all the brackets. 144 minus 2 into 12, 24y plus y square minus y square equals to 60. Okay, y square minus y square cancelled out. So we have, let's bring the 60 on this side. 144 minus 60 equals to 24y. Or we get 144 minus 60, that is 84, equals to 24y. In order to calculate the value of y, cross multiply this 24 on this side. 84 upon 24 equals to y. They goes in 12 times table. 12 sevens are, 12 twos are. So we are left with 7 upon 2. And we know that 7 upon 2 is 3.5. So this is 3.5 centimeter, the first value of y. In order to calculate the value of x, we will put this value in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is here. So let's put this value here, 12 minus 3.5. So that is 12 minus 3.5 gives us 8.5. So this is it. Therefore, we found the lengths of x and y as 3.5 centimeters and 8.5 centimeters.